grab a drink with me. We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it, I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave.
The Birmingham New Street is 20 minutes away from where I stay. I decided to join my friends for a spontaneous visit to the city center. We walked, and because we were gisting and sightseeing, I didn't feel the distance. The central Birmingham has one of the biggest concert halls, wide range of restaurants, train stations. There are lots of shopping centers to explore. The city center is the historic heart of the city. That's where everyone is. So that's how we decided to visit Primark to check out some stuff.
Protests going on for Palestine versus Israel.
Yeah.
And there was actually a bomb that was released in Primark. Not a real bomb, like blowing up bomb, but like a tear gas bomb.
Tear gas.
So they had to close one side of Primark. And
we are just living there. Yeah. So we're going to Chinatown right now.
To go and eat. I know it sounds mad because of the protests, but God save our people. That's that. So I'm hungry. We go eat.
Yeah, we are hungry. After a few minutes of strolling and looking around, we were hungry. That was how my friend ukUk decided to introduce us to one of the busiest Chinese restaurants. And this Chinese restaurant is called Ming Moon. When you come to a Chinese town, that is where you see the highest population of Chinese. And they have their food, anything you want. They even have their Chinese court. It's just like a mini Chinatown inside Birmingham. It's actually very beautiful. So because I was liking the contrast of the sun, I decided to video myself for a while we head to the Chinese restaurant. So where are we going to go now? So guys, we're in Chinatown and I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. Welcome to Chinese town. Yeah, in Birmingham, China.
Did they have. Say yeah? No, like it's called Chinatown.
In it, it's called Chinatown.
She's actually trying to mimic me. Terrible epic fail.
At this point, we're in the Chinatown at Ring Road area, so we decided to just look around. Guys, I was seeing so many signs, Chinese signs that I could not even read. I was seeing Chin Choing, Junjongjin, and I was just feeling like I'm in Asian. I was just having these Asian vibes, and it was very interesting. And see, they even have Chinese courts, man. Everybody's just like, giving Asian vibes, and they have so many restaurants, so many things here, but I can't actually read. I wish I could read what was written on these signs, but anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. We finally got to the Ming Moon restaurant. This restaurant's located in Chinatown. Guys, I'm loving the view. I'm loving what I'm seeing. This is so beautiful. And the service here was just good. But when we got inside, there were lots of people in the place as well. There's also a karaoke bar. They have lots of drinks. And the food is buffet service, which means you serve yourself. You are allowed to eat as much as you want, as long as you don't take any food along with you. We had so much to eat. And as a foodie where I be, I felt right at home. I ate a full course meal and ended it with double extra dessert and ice cream. I had to enjoy myself. Say hi. Say hi. Why you being mean to the camera?
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that hollow bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on.
This is the buffet service, and here you can just take as much as you can finish, and just try different things and all. The only thing I know here is mostly the rice, the vegetable and the meats, but there are still a lot of food here that I could not even try because of the way they look, and I don't want to start throwing up or something. So I just decided to start with the ones I knew, and man, it tasted nice. And I think this Chinese restaurant is not really core Chinese food. They just made it in such a way that once you come inside, at least you will have something that you will like. Because if they did core Chinese food, I don't think people will be visiting that much, because there was crowd. Honestly, a lot of people like here, they come here, and we spent almost £200 only for food, apart from drinks and all, because you just do one-time payment and you sit down and eat as much as you can. Honestly, I felt very good after eating this food. I was like, I wish I can do this every day. But imagine spending £30 every day, or let's say every week, just for one time sitting down to eat. That £30 is enough to even buy food for you for the month. Okay, it's just something you just give yourself a treat whenever you feel like. It's not something you should do every day, but honestly the food is nice. It tastes very nice. I just had to, after eating this one, I'll not lie, I just took another round. Okay, yeah. Let me know if you have visited Chinatown located in Birmingham before. Tell us your experience. Also remember that you have to subscribe to this channel, share these videos, and also recommend more Chinese restaurants that you think is great in Birmingham. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some